Open the accessory box. Open the faceplate cover. Put a thread spool to spool pin and a spool cap onto the spool pin. Pull the thread from the spool. Guide the thread through the thread guide. Thread the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winding shaft. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold the end of the thread. Press the bobbin winding regulator. Cut the thread. Take out the bobbin from the bobbin winding shaft. Put the bobbin and thread winds counterclockwise. Pull the thread trough the slit. Pull the thread to the left side. Cut the thread with the built-in cutter. Close the hook cover.